2024 promises to be a landmark year for space exploration, with a series of ambitious missions set to push the boundaries of our knowledge and capabilities. From returning to the moon to exploring distant asteroids, these missions will not only advance our understanding of the universe, but also pave the way for future space endeavors. Here are some of the most exciting space missions to watch in 2024. Artemis 2, NASA's return to the moon. One of the most highly anticipated missions of 2024 is NASA's Artemis 2. This mission marks the first crewed flight of the Artemis program, aiming to return humans to the moon for the first time since the Apollo missions. The crew will orbit the moon and perform a series of tests to prepare for future lunar landings. Artemis 2 is a critical step towards establishing a sustainable human presence on the moon, with plans to eventually build a lunar base and use the moon as a springboard for future missions to Mars. This mission will test the Space Launch System and the Orion spacecraft, ensuring that all systems are operational for the upcoming Artemis 3 mission, which aims to land astronauts on the lunar surface. Mars Sample Return Mission. The Mars Sample Return Mission is a collaborative effort between NASA and the European Space Agency to bring back samples from the Martian surface. In 2024, the mission will involve launching a retrieval spacecraft to Mars to collect samples cached by the Perseverance rover. This mission is groundbreaking, as it will be the first attempt to return samples from another planet, offering invaluable insights into the red planet's geology and potential past life. The mission will involve a complex series of maneuvers, including the retrieval of sample tubes, launching them into Mars orbit, and transferring them to the return spacecraft for the journey back to Earth. These samples can revolutionize our understanding of Mars and potentially provide clues about the existence of life beyond Earth. James Webb Space Telescope observations. Since its launch, the James Webb Space Telescope has been delivering stunning images and groundbreaking data. In 2024, James Webb Space Telescope will continue its observations, focusing on studying the atmospheres of exoplanets, the formation of stars and galaxies, and the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy. The telescope's advanced capabilities will enable scientists to explore the universe in unprecedented detail, potentially leading to new discoveries and a deeper understanding of the cosmos. James Webb Space Telescope will also work in tandem with other space observatories and ground-based telescopes, enhancing our ability to study celestial phenomena across multiple wavelengths and providing a more comprehensive view of the universe. JUICE, Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer. The European Space Agency's JUICE mission, set to launch in 2024, will explore Jupiter's icy moons, focusing primarily on Ganymede, Europa, and Callisto. These moons are believed to harbor vast oceans beneath their icy crusts, making them prime candidates in the search for extraterrestrial life. JUICE will study their surfaces, subsurfaces, and magnetic environments, providing critical data that could reshape our understanding of the habitability of icy worlds in our solar system. The mission will involve detailed flybys of these moons, using a suite of scientific instruments to analyze their geology, composition, and potential for hosting life. JUICE's findings could have profound implications for our understanding of where life might exist beyond Earth. Psyche mission, exploring a metal-rich asteroid. NASA's Psyche mission aims to explore the metal-rich asteroid 16 Psyche, which is believed to be the exposed core of an early planetesimal. Scheduled to launch in 2024, the mission will study the asteroid's composition, geology, and magnetic properties. Understanding Psyche's characteristics will provide insights into the building blocks of planetary formation and the history of our solar system. The mission will use a suite of advanced instruments, including a multispectral imager, a gamma-ray and neutron spectrometer, and a magnetometer, to gather data about the asteroid's structure and composition. Psyche's unique properties could reveal new information about the processes that shaped our solar system during its early stages. China's lunar missions. China's space program continues to make significant strides, with several lunar missions planned for 2024. The Chang'e 7 mission aims to explore the lunar South Pole, searching for water ice and conducting scientific experiments. Additionally, China plans to launch the Qiqiu 2 relay satellite to support future lunar missions, further establishing its presence in lunar exploration. Chang'e 7 will deploy a lander, a rover, and a mini-flying probe to conduct detailed studies of the lunar surface and subsurface. These missions are part of China's broader strategy to establish a permanent lunar research station by the 2030s, positioning the country as a major player in international space exploration. India's Gaganyaan mission. India's Gaganyaan mission, set to launch in 2024, will be the country's first crewed spaceflight. The mission aims to send Indian astronauts, known as Vyomanauts, into low Earth orbit for a period of up to 7 days. Gaganyaan represents a significant milestone for India's space program, showcasing its capabilities in human spaceflight and paving the way for future crewed missions. The mission will include extensive pre-launch training for the astronauts, as well as rigorous testing of the Gaganyaan spacecraft's life support and safety systems. Success in this mission will elevate India's status in the global space community and inspire future generations of Indian scientists and engineers. SpaceX's Starship missions. SpaceX continues to push the envelope with its Starship program, aiming for ambitious missions in 2024. These include potential crewed missions to the Moon as part of NASA's Artemis program and test flights to Mars. Starship's fully reusable design and advanced capabilities promise to revolutionize space travel, making it more affordable and accessible. In addition to lunar missions, SpaceX is also planning to use Starship for commercial spaceflights, satellite deployment, and interplanetary exploration. The success of these missions will demonstrate the viability of Starship as a versatile platform for a wide range of space activities, from crewed exploration to cargo delivery. Russia's Lunar Globe program. Russia's Lunar Globe program aims to revive the country's lunar exploration efforts with several missions planned for 2024. Luna 25, set to launch early in the year, will target the Moon's south pole, studying its regolith and searching for water ice. Subsequent missions, including Luna 26 and Luna 27, will focus on orbiting and landing on the lunar surface to conduct extensive scientific research. These missions will involve advanced scientific instruments to study the Moon's geology, composition, and potential resources. The Lunar Globe program represents Russia's renewed commitment to lunar exploration, building on its historic achievements in space exploration and contributing to international efforts to understand the Moon. International Space Station research. The International Space Station remains a hub of scientific research and international collaboration. In 2024, the International Space Station will host a variety of experiments and technology demonstrations, focusing on life sciences, physical sciences, and Earth observation. The station's unique microgravity environment enables research that is not possible on Earth, contributing to our understanding of fundamental scientific principles and supporting future long-duration space missions. Experiments aboard the ISS will investigate topics such as the effects of long-term spaceflight on human health, the behavior of fluids in microgravity, and the development of new materials and technologies. These studies will provide valuable data that will inform the design of future spacecraft and habitats for missions beyond low Earth orbit. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon so you never miss an update.